Hi everyone, I am very happy to welcome you all to Dr. JJ's Virtual Academy of Commerce. In this video, I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic Meaning, Definition, Functions and Tools of Marketing Public Relations, which is one of the popular tools of promotion. These are all a few details related to me. Let's discuss the meaning and definition of marketing public relations. Public relations is a comprehensive term that includes maintaining constructive relations not only with customers, suppliers and middlemen, but also with a large set of interested publics who are related with the organization in one or other way. According to Philip Kotler, public relations involves in building good relationship with the company's various publics by obtaining favorable publicity, building up a good corporate image, and handling or heading off unfavorable rumors, stories, and events. So according to Philip Kotler, public relations involve with the activities of building profitable and strong relationship with various publics related with the company. It also facilitates in building a good corporate image and putting off the unfavorable rumors or stories or events that are created against the company and its products. According to William J. Stanton, public relation activities typically are designed to build or maintain a favorable image for an organization and a favorable relationship with the organization's various publics. These publics may be customers, stockholders, employees, unions, environmentalists, the government and people in local community or some other groups in the society. So you find the definitions given by both Philip Kotler and William J. Stanton stand for a similar meaning for the concept public relations. Thus I would say public relations include organizations' broad and overall communication efforts intended to influence the various groups' attitude positively towards the organization. Let's discuss the functions of marketing public relations. The first one is press relations, creating and placing newsworthy information in the news media to attract its attention to a person of a company or to a product which is launched by a company or a service that is offered by a company. The second function of marketing public relation is product publicity, which is nothing but publicizing specific products offered by the company in support of the various publics related to the company. The third one is about public affairs, building and maintaining national or local community relations in a very cordial way through the marketing public relations activities. The fourth function of marketing public relation is nothing but lobbying. It refers to building and maintaining relations with legislators and government officials to influence legislation and regulations specifically in favor of the companies. The next function of marketing public relation is investors relations. The public relation department of a company involves in maintaining relationship with the shareholders who could be collectively called as financial public and others in the financial community without whose support the finance required for a company cannot be mobilized. The next function of MPR is nothing but development. Public relations with donors or members of non-profit organizations to gain financial or volunteer support from them for the smooth functioning of our business organization. The next aspect to be discussed in the video is nothing but major tools of marketing public relations. Number one, publications. Companies heavily rely on published materials such as annual reports, brochure, articles, newsletters, magazines, and audio-visual materials to reach and influence the target markets favorably towards the organization. The next one is about events. Companies can draw attention towards new products or other activities by arranging special events like news conferences, online chats with the various publics, seminars, exhibits, contests and competitions, and sport and cultural sponsorships. The third tool of MPR is news, creating favorable news from the media about the company or its products or services and also its people and getting the media to accept press releases and attend press conferences conducted by the company. The next tool of the MPR is speeches. Speeches are another tool for creating favorable publicity for the products and the company, and also for building good image for the company in the minds of various publics. The next tool of MPR is public service activities. Companies can build goodwill or good corporate image in the minds of various publics by contributing money and other resource or time for good causes related to the society. The last tool of marketing public relation is nothing but identity media. To attract attention and spark recognition among the various publics, the company's visual identity is carried by its logos, stationery, brochure, signs, business forms, business cards, website, buildings, uniforms, and dress codes. I hope I have done my lecture up to your level of satisfaction on the topic meaning, definition, functions, and tools of marketing public relations. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in another video. Bye for now, everyone.